You know, all I'm saying is, y'all Amazon drivers, man, please be safe. And here's why. Oh, and if y'all don't get your package on time, this might have happened. Just saying. Woman steals Amazon truck. Calls out the vehicle. What? What? Oh man! Listen, in the corner, you see her walking off. First of all, where you get them suspenders from?
The Nation of Islam, the same place she got that bow tie from. That's what the fuck she got it from. She got that from the Honorable Elijah Muhammad himself. Keepsake for Christmas. That's what the fuck she got the suspenders from. It was a suspender bow tie.
It was a kid. It was